good morning to everyone. Thank you for being here for our discussion. Now we are going to discuss about smart traffic management. In my opinion, one of the main problem in our city is that the traffic light still using fixed timing. Means that it does not react or respond to the real-time traffic condition, and that will make it will lead to long waiting time, especially at the peak hour. So I believe smart technology can make this situation better, improving by making the traffic control more flexible and efficient. Now we will compare between AI-based camera system and ultrasonic sensors. We will focus more on the cost, reliability in different weather condition, and data accuracy. So what about you guys? Do you guys think AI is better option?
May I start first? Okay, thank you. In my opinion, AI-based camera system is more advanced and more suitable for future development. This system use camera together with software to analyze traffic in real time. They can count vehicle, monitor traffic, and also identify different type of vehicle. For example, this system can recognize motorcycle, buses, cars, and even emergency vehicle like ambulance. This allow the traffic to be prioritized to important vehicle. So which make the traffic give more response time and safetyness. Also, AI system can collect and store data locally. This data can be used to analyze the traffic planning, such as it can adjust the traffic pattern during peak hours.
I understand your point, Afi, and I agree that AI is intelligent. However, I am concerned about environmental condition. How the system perform in heavy rain, fog, or at night. If visibility is poor, will the system still work accurately?
That's a good question. Camera performance will be decreased, especially during heavy rain or fog. However, the modern system use infrared sensor and advanced camera processing to improve the visibility during low light condition. Even though the accuracy may be decreased, but the system can still be function at acceptable level.
I I also agree about your opinion, Afi, but I think uh, yeah, we need to focus on the real ability for the sensor. If the system does not work well all the time, it may cause a serious traffic problem. So, in my opinion, I think ultrasonic sensor is more practical and efficient compared to the AI system. Mm, for the ultrasonic sensor, they they work by sending sound wave and measuring the time how it takes for the echo to return. So it can help to detect whether a vehicle is present or not and how far the vehicle to the sensor. Mm, for the next, I think sensor uh, can work well in the bad condition. like in the night and or even in smoke. So it very reliable in a bad condition compared to the AI. In the for the cost maintenance, ultrasonic sensor is more cheaper and easier to install compared to the AI. So I think we need to consider about the ultrasonic sensor.
That's true. But one major limitation for using the RN sensor is that it cannot identify the different type of vehicle. So without this feature, it cannot prioritize emergency or important vehicle like ambulance or bus. So even though the ultrasonic sensor is reliable, it is not as intelligent as AI system.
I know there is a limitation for the ultrasonic sensor, but I think in the many intersection, we only need a basic information such as whether vehicle is present or not. So I think in terms of cost and practical, I think we need only ultrasonic sensor. So because the cost is very low and to install is not complex like AI because we don't need complex data processing and it can work well in all bad conditions compared to the AI system.
I think both of you, Iqbal and Afi, got make a good points. But we need to look carefully at the technical limitation of each system before we make any decision. So as example, for ultrasonic sensor, there are several limitation, technical issues at ultrasonic sensor. First, temperature can affect the speed of sound. During the hot weather, sensors may give incorrect readings if it is not properly adjusted. Second, noise interference may cause a problem. Uh, Noise interference can cause a problem. And third, ultrasonic sensor cannot classify vehicle. This limits their potential to be a good more advanced in the traffic control system.
Okay, I agree with you. But like you said, that the AI system have delay, so we can reduce the delay by using edge computing. This means the data process is processed locally instead of sending it to the cloud. So with this feature, AI system will give more faster response and more efficient.
I see what your point is, Wan and Afiq. That is why AI is important, because AI system can give more detailed information, and from what you said just now, it can prioritize safety vehicle or emergencies. For example, ambulance, it can reduce the response time and possibly save the life. Other than that, it also may helpful for the authorities to understand the pattern of the traffic, and it can help for the future road planning. And then it also the AI itself can learn from the data over time, so it will keep improving and getting better than the ultrasonic sensors.
I understand all three of you very like for the AI ultrasonic based camera system, but we need to think about the problem if we using the AI. The first problem is the cost is very high, and the second, the power of consumption is very large compared to the ultrasonic sensor, and the third, for the installation is very complex. So we need to consider this because we need to have a very efficiency and we are able to choose whether we need to apply AI or not.
Yes, another important factor is latency, which means system delay. AI system need time to process images, especially if they use cloud-based system. This will slow down the processing time of traffic light. In contrast, ultrasonic sensors can provide an instant detection because it is not requiring a heavy processing.
So as we can see, both has their own advantage and disadvantage. For AI-based camera system, yes, it has advanced system and has many features that can detect more than the ultrasonic capable to. But from the cost itself, for sure the AI system will cost higher than the ultrasonic sensors, but when we see from the maintenance, the ultrasonic sensors can be easier and lower cost. So it might the best for us to have both system together, ultrasonic and AI system, so it can be more efficient than one itself.
So in my opinion,
Okay. You can continue your slides. And time is up. Stop the recording.